Most of the time, it is an animal's greatest interest to remain unnoticeable. But there are moments when being loud, extremely loud, is beneficial. When a regular human conversation has a decibel level of roughly 60, certain animals can shriek, scream, and cry far louder than a subway train, 100 decibels. The human pain threshold is 120 decibels, and at 160 decibels, your eardrum would burst. Nevertheless, many loud animal cries are not suited for human hearing. These creatures' noises aren't simply for show. They have a purpose on both land and water. Finding another person, protecting territory, romancing a partner, or alerting companions of predators are all examples of socially driven causes. Today in this video, we are going to explore the top 10 loudest animals in the world. So keep watching this video to know about these amazing creatures. Number 10. Kakapo, the male's booming mating cry, which can reach up to 132 decibels and be heard from over 7 kilometers, makes kakapos the loudest bird. Their booming sound is produced by a thoracic air sac. This is punctuated with high-pitched metallic sounds that aid the female in her search for a mate. Kakapos are flightless and nocturnal members of the parrot family. They are also the biggest, averaging 2 to 4 kilos at maturity. Each one can live to be 90 years old, but they only reproduce every 2 to 5 years, producing 1 to 4 eggs. Number 9. Howler monkey. These monkeys are extremely gregarious and may often be found in huge groups. When they call as a flock, their calls may reach 90 decibels and can be heard up to 5 kilometers away. The calls are frequently used to notify a group's position and to warn others to keep out of their region. Howlers may produce similar noises due to an enlarged hyoid bone in their neck, and howling consumes a lot of energy. Howlers may sleep for up to 15 hours every day to replenish. Number 8. Wolf. A wolf's howl is one of the most distinct animal noises, reaching 90 decibels, barely below the blare of a subway train. Wolves frequently travel long distances and across vast plains in search of food, and it is claimed that they howl to keep track of the whereabouts of their packmates. Howling may also be used to announce a pack's position and establish their territory. Surprisingly, when wolves howl in chorus, the sound may be adjusted such that the pack's numbers appear much larger. Number 7. Coqui frog. Coqui refers to numerous species of tiny frogs in the genus Eleutherodactylus that are native to Puerto Rico. They are called from the unusually loud mating cry made by the males of 2 species, the common coqui and the upland coqui at night. Coqui frogs are endemic to Puerto Rico, where their populations are quite dense. This frequently leads to each male croaking more louder in order to outdo his competition. A single frog may produce noises as loud as a jackhammer at 90 to 100 decibels. Number 6. Water boatmen. Water boatmen are the loudest animals on the planet in relation to their size. While many of the creatures on this list make sounds to attract a partner, only water boatmen use their genital organs to make such sounds. A boatman may create up to 99 decibels of sound by rubbing their penis on their belly, a technique known as stridulation. These insects, aptly called, have flat, boat-shaped bodies that they move forward with oar-like rear legs. Fortunately for us, the sound is muffled by the water and cannot be heard by passers-by. Number 5. Lion. The lion, one of the most recognizable large beasts, can roar at 114 decibels for up to 8 kilometers. And they require the space. A pride's home range may extend over 260 square kilometers. Lions roar for a variety of purposes, one of which is to establish territory. Another idea proposes that roaring might be used as a kind of social communication among family members in a pride. Lions are the only cats that roam in groups. Number 4. Greengrocer cicada. Cicadas are the loudest bug. Only males sing, and they do so to attract females. The greengrocer and yellow Monday make noises that exceed 120 decibels and can be heard from 2.4 kilometers. Because each variety has a distinct song, they do not attract females of other species. Cicadas are unique among insects in that they contain melodic drums called timbals in their abdomen. When the internal muscles are contracted, they buckle inwards and emit a sound pulse. The sound is then amplified by their hollow abdomen. Cicadas that call in groups are less likely to be eaten by birds because the sound bounces around, making it difficult to detect individual cicadas. Many species, in addition to the calling or mating song, have a distress song, which is frequently a broken and irregular noise generated when an individual is trapped. A few species also have a courting song, which is typically a low call made only after a female has been drawn nearby by the calling song. Cicadas are the most effective and noisy sound-producing insects on the planet. Number 3. Greater bulldog bat. Bats are one of the few mammals that can navigate by using sound, a technique known as echolocation. The greater bulldog bat is now the family's most audible member. They utilize their very loud sound, more than 140 decibels, louder than a chainsaw. Humans, on the other hand, are unable to hear echolocation sounds since they are ultrasonic in nature. Number 2. Blue whale. The blue whale, Balænoptera musculus, is a baleen whale and a marine animal. It is the biggest animal known to have ever existed. At a maximum verified length of 29.9 meters, 98 feet, and weighing up to 199 tons, blue whales may communicate with each other by making incredibly loud whistling noises. Their sirens may be heard up to 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine or grenade explosion. Because sound travels longer underwater, whales may be heard from nearly 800 kilometers. Blue whales are the biggest living mammals on the planet, growing up to 33 meters in length and weighing up to 200 tons, with tongues as hefty as an elephant. And finally, at number 1, tiger pistol shrimp. This Mediterranean shrimp is the loudest living animal, reaching over 200 decibels, louder than a gunshot. They reside under the water, which is fortunate because the human ear can only take noises up to 120 to 130 decibels. Anything louder can cause tremendous agony in our ears, potentially leading to deafness. The pistol shrimp, which may be found on tropical reefs all over the world, has a huge claw that fires water jets. The water is moving so fast that it generates an air bubble. When this explodes, it packs a powerful punch, producing a shock wave louder than a whale's cry and capable of killing other shrimp and fish up to 2 meters away. The sonic snap also releases small flashes of light, causing the temperature within the bubble to briefly approach near that of the sun. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our next videos. Until the next video, take care.